What's up, YouTube? It's probably dorky shit. 10 universe theories that will keep you up at night. I really like conspiracy. This isn't conspiracy theory. I mean, it might be. I don't know. It's a theory. I really like conspiracy theories. I'm hoping this is kind of on that road. I mean, it's theories. And yeah, so hopefully y'all fuck with this. I fuck with this. So we'll see if this is a good video. I don't know. How y'all doing though? This is some. I've never reacted to one of this fact phenomenal. I've never reacted to one of his videos. Oh shit.
And some theories of the things that happen there make us wonder more about it every day. Number 10. What was there before the Big Bang? We all
Nothing.
know that things came to be
I don't know. I don't
after
really
the
care.
Big Bang. But what was there before?
Alright, I don't give a shit.
It's believed that there was an initial singularity before anything else. This is a gravitational singularity predicted by general relativity to have existed before the Big Bang and thought to have contained all the energy and space-time of the universe. The initial singularity possessed seemingly infinite density, thought to have contained all of the mass and space-time of the universe before quantum fluctuations caused it to rapidly expand in the Big Bang and subsequent inflation, creating the present-day universe. Number 9. What happens when you fall into a black hole? With black holes being one of the most intriguing astronomical
You just gotta get
objects
spit
in
out,
the
no? The other
universe,
end or some
it's
shit?
no
I don't know. You
surprise
die?
that some people have wondered
It's
countless
raps.
times what would happen if you fell into one. To fully appreciate what's a black hole, we need to first understand the properties of one. A black hole is a place where gravity is so strong that nothing else can escape. Black holes are named as such because they can't reflect nor emit light, and they're only visible when they're feeding on other stars or gas clouds that come too close to their event horizons, their main boundary.
So you can never
On
see
the
him
event
coming.
horizon lies a truly minuscule point called a singularity, where gravity is so intense that it infinitely curves space-time itself. This is where the laws of physics, as we know them, break down, meaning all theories of what lies beyond are just
What?
speculation. If you were free-floating in space near
Yeah.
a stellar mass black hole that wasn't feeding on
Like,
you,
would time be in
the
slow
only
motion or
chance
some
that
shit?
it exists might be the gravitational magnification or lensing effect it would have on background stars. But as you flew closer to this strange spot, you'd be stretched in some directions and squished in others,
Oh!
horizontally while pulling it like taffy in the vertical direction. If you jumped into the black hole feet first, the gravitational force on your toes would be much stronger than that pulling on your head. Meanwhile, if you were to plunge into a supermassive black hole, things would be considerably less scary. While it might still result in a horrible death, you might make it all the way through the event horizon and manage to start falling inside the singularity while you're still alive. You'll die either way, but at least
You'll die either way. So it really doesn't fucking matter.
less painful. Number 8.
Oh
Earth
shit.
will become like Venus.
Huh?
Both Earth and Venus are very similar planets. They have very similar size, mass, and composition, though their main difference is that Earth sustains life, and Venus is essentially a galactic wasteland because it's mostly composed of carbon dioxide. However, climate change isn't the only thing that might affect Earth becoming like Venus. As the sun becomes 10% hotter around 1 billion years from now, the surface temperature of Earth will reach 47 degrees Celsius, prompting the temperature of Earth to increase rapidly and its oceans to boil away until it becomes a greenhouse planet. A greenhouse planet, like Venus, isn't exactly the nicest place to live in the universe. Venus's
Bro.
atmosphere is almost entirely carbon dioxide and chokingly thick, with an atmospheric pressure at the surface 90 times that of Earth. That's the equivalent pressure of a mile beneath our ocean waves. It's so thick that you almost have to swim through it just to move around. And on top of this are clouds that are literally made of sulfuric acid. Number 7. White holes. We
Oh,
know
okay, that's
that
just
black
racist.
exist.
No, I didn't know
If
that
black
shit.
holes are weird. White holes will literally blow you away. Instead of absorbing matter, white holes spew it out. To a spaceship crew watching from afar, a white hole looks exactly like a black hole. It has mass, it might spin. A ring of dust and gas could gather around the event horizon. But instead of absorbing things, they're belching matter out. Physicists describe a white hole as a black hole's time reversal. A video of a black hole played backwards, much as a bouncing ball is the time reversal of a falling ball. While a black hole's event horizon is a sphere of no return, a white hole's event horizon is a boundary of no admission, space-time's most exclusive club. Number 6. Big Rip.
Wait, so like, does it just blow? Like, it just pushes shit away then? Like, I don't. What?
must come to an end, and it seems like the universe is one of these. This is something established by the Big Rip, in which scientists have theorized that the universe could end up expanding so much that it will eventually rip itself to pieces. Solar systems, planets, asteroid belts, and even whole galaxies will be torn apart. Of course, that's something that will happen several million years from now, so it's not like we're going to be here when it does. But when it does, you can bet that things will not be pretty for humans. Number 5.
That's if Earth doesn't become like fucking Venus before then. See, that's what I'm saying. Like, what the fuck is this? Like, what? What the fuck?
The Drake equation.
Yo. Like, look, like, when you think of death, like, I'ma die, but, you know, there's still gonna be shit after, you know, this Earth is still gonna be here, motherfuckers still gonna live here. But nah, like, like, niggas are gonna die, bro. Like, everyone is dead. Everyone's fucked. Like, what? Like, imagine, like, I don't know, it's just, like, my mind, low-key, like, just, everyone's fucked. Like, I know everyone's fucked, but you get me? Okay, everyone's fucked, but, like, even Earth is fucked. Like, fuck. Like, what the fuck? Why did I watch this? Nah, see, I like conspiracy theories. I don't like this shit. This is just fucking lame as fuck. I don't want to hear this, man. Bro, it's a Sunday. What the fuck am I doing?
It's a formula that's been used to estimate the number of active extraterrestrial civilizations.
Oh, I almost dropped my
in the
water.
Milky Way
Or I
galaxy.
almost spilled it.
How many alien societies exist and are detectable? This famous formula gives us an idea.
I don't know,
The
man.
Drake equation, which was the agenda for a meeting of experts
Drake?
held in West Virginia
God's
in
plan.
1961,
Yeah, God's
estimates
plan is just to
in
let
the number
everyone
of
just
transmitting
die. It's
societies in
crazy.
the Milky Way galaxy.
It's
The
insane.
terms are defined as follows. N, the number of civilizations in the Milky Way galaxy whose electromagnetic emissions are detectable. R, the rate of
Imagine,
formation
like,
of
we're just
stars
really all
suitable
gonna
for
die.
the
Yo, I
development
should
of
probably turn off my
intelligent
fan.
life. Number per year.
I really don't give a shit
F sub
about
P, the
an
fraction of those
equation
stars
if
with
I'm keeping it a
planetary
buck with you.
systems. In sub E, the number of planets per solar system with an environment suitable for life. F sub L, the fraction of suitable planets on which life actually appears. F sub I, the fraction of life-bearing planets on which intelligent life emerges. F sub C, the fraction of civilizations that develop a technology that produces detectable signs of their existence. And L, the average length of time such civilizations produce such signs in years.
What?
Number 4.
What?
Time is running out. Some
No shit.
scientists theorize that distant celestial bodies only seem the way they look because we're actually looking back in time to see them. That means that celestial bodies were moving faster in the past than they are now because time is slowing down. Even if we don't know how much it's slowing down, we know that it might slow down to a stop if things are left as they are. Number 3. Hitler's opening speech. Did you know that the first signal broadcast strong enough to pierce through Earth's atmosphere was Hitler's opening speech at the 1936 Olympics in Berlin? That means
What?
that should aliens find Earth, that's probably one of the first things they'll mention to us when we communicate with them. It's probably the first sound they heard from humans. Number 2.
What?
The Fermi Paradox. The Fermi Paradox, named after Enrico Fermi, establishes that there's a contradiction between the lack of evidence for extraterrestrial civilization and various high estimates for their probability, such as the Drake equation that we just saw. Alien life has to simply exist in one form or another.
It has
but
to,
if
yes.
that's the case, then where are the aliens?
I don't
The
know.
Fermi Paradox establishes that it's much harder for life to exist than we originally thought, or that more life has actually existed and been destroyed over time. And number 1.
Oh, I
The
mean, I don't know,
universe
maybe.
is a computer simulation. If you've watched The Matrix, then put your tinfoil hats on, because the universe might just be like the movie depicts it. The simulation hypothesis, or simulation
I've never seen
theory,
that.
is the
I know, like, y'all really rock with me watching, like, the Explained by an Idiot thing. I've never seen The Matrix either. I know. It's... Shut up. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it.
that all of reality,
I don't watch
including
movies,
Earth
man.
and
Like,
the
I don't know.
universe, could in fact be an artificial simulation, such as a computer simulation. Moderator Neil deGrasse Tyson, director of the museum's Hayden Planetarium,
Yo, who's she?
put the
Oh,
odds at
shit, never mind.
50-50 that our entire existence is a program on someone else's hard drive. He noted the gap between human and chimpanzee intelligence.
You just smoking a blunt?
98% of our DNA. Somewhere out there could be a being whose intelligence
Yo.
is that much greater than our own.
Yo.
The main argument for this
Just
theory
smoking a
is the
blunt?
universe's laws. As the more scientists learn about the universe, the more they realize that it's very similar to a computer simulation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget
Nah,
to subscribe
fuck you.